All right, gotta go.
Where are you off to?
I'm gonna try to play 9.
Yeah? Do you have a Spinach?
No, I'll grab a bar or a smoothie or something like that.
No, and no. I know you're gonna go grab something lousy. I have something better for you. Trust me.
Oh boy.
Well, packaged smoothies and protein shakes can be loaded with all kinds of sodium and extra calories and tons of sugar and MSG.
Yeah, I like that stuff.
But it's really bad for you. Corn syrup, there's just...
I like corn syrup.
Well,
too.
you don't need to have it in your smoothie, that's all I'm saying. You can make the real thing right at home. It's fast, it's easy, it's fresh.
It's easy for me because you're the one that makes it all the time.
That's true. Yeah, but it is super simple. So watch to the end and I'll share some of my favorite recipes and also a list of all the stuff that you need to have on hand.
So we're heading for the kitchen.
Yeah. I'm going to make you a protein smoothie. What do you want in it?
Mangoes.
Well, that would be a good thing, but I don't have mangoes today.
Well, what do you ask me for then?
Okay, how about like chocolate and banana?
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Would that work? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I want to get going here.
Okay, just bear with me for just a second. All right, first of all, I know that you don't like peanut butter, so I'm not going to put peanut butter in there, which I would normally do for myself.
Right.
And you can't do milk or Greek yogurt because, yes.
Why don't you just tell the whole world about it?
Just saying, a lot of people have that issue.
All right, okay.
All right,
so what are you going to put in there?
So I'm going to put hemp seeds in it so that you get some nice protein in it.
Oh, boy.
Without all the digestive things that happen if you add some of the other stuff.
Okay, well, just make what you're going to make.
All right.
I don't even know why you're asking.
Okay. All right. So these are crazy easy to make. I mean, and I had the banana in the freezer, frozen, which you always want to do. I've got a bunch of packages of other smoothies ready to go. But this one's going to be a little different, so I'm making this one from scratch, just so you can see what's in. It's a new recipe for me, too. So, to make it super chocolatey, we're going to put in 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which I know will make you really happy. And we got a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I know you'll like. So pretty simple so far, yeah? Okay, and then the big thing is going to be the hemp seeds. And you can put spinach in this if you want to, but I know that I know you won't like it for this because it'll turn your smoothie green. So
I like spinach though.
Yeah, do you want me to throw some in? It's going to turn the thing green.
Yeah, put spinach in.
You want me to put spinach in? Okay, I'll do that then. Nice fresh spinach. I got this at the farmer's market on the way back on our trip. And there's nothing exact about this. You just throw in a couple handfuls and it just gives you a little extra fiber and all the nice nutrients that you get from spinach. So I always throw that in mine for the most part. But the big thing is the hemp hearts. This is a fabulous source of protein. You put 3 tablespoons in this. The thing you have to watch with that though is it's super high in calories. It's 180 calories for 3 tablespoons.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Sounds like something I like.
You're right. But the nice thing about this is it's going to give you all the protein that you would get if you were using like packaged, protein, whey protein isolate.
Did you say hemp?
Yeah, it's hemp seed.
I'm going to be doing hemp?
You're going to be doing hemp, yeah.
Flashback to the old days.
Right. Well, I actually like this better than chia seeds or flax seeds, which a lot of other people use too for proteins, because the texture is just a little bit better. It dissolves a little better. You don't quite taste it as much, and I think it just makes a better smoothie. So we're going in. We're ready to roll. That's all it is.
Tell us about that groovy thing you're using there.
What, the hemp seed?
No, the machine.
Oh, the
I
machine.
wanna talk about
Okay.
machines.
Yeah. No, this is my Nutri-Ninja Professional. You gave this to me for Christmas, and I couldn't live without it. It's awesome. Yeah, I use it for smoothies. I use it for salad dressings. I use it for salsas. It's gazpacho, and it just takes the place.
And smoothies.
And smoothies. Yeah, it's an awesome.
Which is what we're talking about today.
Which is what we're talking about today. Yeah. By the way, do you want ice in this or no? Okay, so the cool thing about this, of course, is that you're just gonna mix it and go. So you don't even need to put it in another container. So all you gotta do, put the lid on it and go. Hey, you forgot something.
What?
Your smoothie.
Jeez.
Have a good time. So now that Jim is the hell out of the house and off playing golf, I thought I'd share a couple other things with you about making really good smoothies at home. And the big thing is always to find a good protein. I know it's a struggle for a lot of people, and a lot of people like to use protein powders. We can't really do that in our house because Jim has IBS, so if I make it for him, then we both suffer. And it can be hard to digest for a lot of people. So that's why I went with the hemp seed instead. You can use hemp seed, flax seed, chia seed, But hemp seed, I think, is easier to digest and it blends a lot better. There's other sources of protein you can use. Like I use peanut butter a lot because I really like it, and there's nut butters that you can use, and Greek yogurt is also a good choice. But if you don't want to put protein in your smoothie, you don't have to. You can do just a fruit-based smoothie. So fruit smoothies have a lot of sugar in them already because fruit has a lot of sugar in it. But if I always try to add, kale and spinach and things like that to trick Jim so they'll get those vegetables in his smoothies. But I can't not add a little sweetness because he'll notice it. So what I always do there is I always add a little raw honey because it's better than refined sugar, and it gives him just enough sweetness that he feels like he's getting more of a treat than something healthy. So you want to keep a bunch of things in your pantry so that you've got them whenever you want to make smoothies, like the honey and peanut butter, and then all of your mix-ins, things like your hemp seed or whatever protein you want to use, cocoa and vanilla and cinnamon and that, and I'll put all this in a list for you in the description below. Of course, it really helps to be organized when you're doing this kind of stuff, and by now you should probably tell that that's one of my strong suits. So I do a lot of this on Sundays when I'm doing meal prep, and I have a couple of these ready to go already. So this is one of my favorites actually. It is spinach, kale, banana, and pineapple, and I'll have that recipe for you in the description below. And then I have pineapple here already cut for some more that I'm going to make. And one of the other things I always try to do is have a mix of frozen berries in the freezer. And I like these for berry smoothies, and I do that most times with Greek yogurt if you want something a little creamier, just a different texture. And I'll have that recipe for you too. So, verdict.
I like it a little bit sweeter.
I knew you were going to say
it's
that.
not bad.
I knew you were going to say that.
It a little bit sweeter.
All right, well, spirit of full disclosure, I have to say that I actually did read some reviews of this particular recipe.
This is because you tried to stuff all that health stuff in there. Right?
No, it's not that. They said that the cocoa actually can make it a little bit bitter, so it has nothing to do with the hemp seed, which is actually really good for you. It just needs a little more of a sweetener. So what I would probably do for you is put in some honey or maybe a little bigger banana, because that was actually a pretty small banana for that. So next time, I'll make sure I make it sweeter for you. Oh my God.
All right, I know you said it's fast and easy, but you're always in the kitchen. You love that stuff.
I do.
What about someone like me? I actually do want something healthy.
Yeah.
But I want something maybe, in a pouch. I can just throw it in, grab and go.
Funny you should mention that. Smoothie Box. It's an amazing company. They have everything all pre-measured, pre-packaged, all natural, fresh ingredients, no artificial sweeteners, no crap, nothing like that. You just add your milk, water, Greek yogurt, good to go.
All right, tell us about your favorite smoothie in the comments below, or better yet, how about you send in a 30 to 40 second video of you enjoying your favorite
and tell us why
smoothie.
it's your favorite smoothie. Yeah.
We'll be putting together a compilation video soon.
Yeah.
And if we use your clip,
you're going to get a free t-shirt or a hoodie.
Your choice of t-shirt or hoodie, like our Don't You
Dare Call Me Elderly. Yeah.
I love this one.
I know you do. We should do a blooper reel.
I'm not doing a blooper reel.
Why not? Why not?
Now look, we are having a blast doing the Big 60 Life, right?
Yes,
Got a couple small favors to ask you. We want to keep bringing you good content, stuff you can use, right? First of all, like us and share us. That's huge.
Yeah, and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing.